Assalamu alaikum. I'm in your FET recovery notes, and if you go to the section where it says Mathlet and you click into maps, okay, so you'll see topic 4 and you'll see 4.2. They've highlighted maps there, right? These notes are very nice to go through and they have examples with answers, so it's very nice to study. Okay, so this page is just telling you everything that you need to learn for maps, so don't worry about that too much. Let's carry on. So the next page is showing you the words that you need to know when we're doing maps. So if we use the word like opposite, next to, between, behind, left, right, along, straight, up, down, around, and past to indicate locations and directions. So what you're doing is you're actually describing something on the map. Okay, so we will have a look at the example and you're using those kind of words to describe it. So here we have a map of a small rural school, right? So it's a small rural classroom. So the map is showing you a few things, and you can see they've got a small bar scale there, but that's not what we're concentrating on at the moment. We're trying to see how do we read the map and what pictures are we looking for and how do we describe the layout of this map. So this is a map of a school, so it's showing you the classroom numbers. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? So the classroom numbers are there. This is obviously the bathrooms where you have a male and a female. There's a staff room, there's an office, okay, and then it's showing you the doors where you can enter and exit, and you need to try to be able to read all the figures that it's showing you. So in example 1, it's telling you, use the layout of the small rural school in the previous slide to answer the following questions. Describe the location of classroom number 5. So how would you describe the classroom number 5? So we're looking at, let me just get back there. We're looking at that rural map there, and we're saying we want to find classroom number 5, right? So if we're looking at this one here, classroom number 5 is here, right? So in words we have to explain where is classroom number 5. Let's see what they have given us in the solution. Classroom 5 lies directly opposite entrance B. So how did they describe it? Directly opposite entrance B. So you're looking for something on the map, and to describe to a person how would they find classroom number 5. So if you go to entrance B, you walk straight, it's directly opposite entrance B. The second question is telling you, describe the surroundings of classroom number 5. So what is around number 5? Okay, obviously you can say that it's next between classroom number 4 and 6. It's near the staff room and the office. Okay, so let's see what they've given us as our solution. Classroom number 5 lies between classroom 4 and classroom 6. Okay, simple. It's so simple, right? Okay, then direct a learner from classroom 1 to the girls' toilet. Okay, so this is where you have to use the words to direct somebody, and they're trying to see whether you can explain to somebody what they need to do, right? So direct a learner from classroom 1 to the girls' bathroom, right? So we're in classroom 1. Here's classroom 1 and we want to get to the girls' bathroom. So how are you going to tell her how to go there? Okay, so you're going to direct her, right? So think about it in your mind and let's look at the solution. So they're saying walk to the end of the corridor, turn right, and then walk straight. Okay, so she's here in classroom 1. You're telling her to walk to the end of the corridor, right? You can also put in more description if you want, and you'll say you'll see the boys' bathroom on the left. Turn to your right, carry on straight down the corridor, and that's where the girls' bathroom is. You can also add that it's between classroom number 7 and classroom number 8. Okay, then we've got, where will you end up if you walk from entrance B? Okay, then it says past the office, turn left and walk straight. So you end up, if you're walking from entrance B past the office, okay, so we're at entrance B and we're walking past the office, right? What's the second part of it? Turn left and walk straight. So we're going past the office, we're turning left and we're walking straight. Where are we going to end up? Okay, so you just have to describe it. Let's see what the solution says. The solution says you're going to end up at the boys' toilet, right? So simple. Okay, number 3, we've done number 4. Number 5 says, sorry about that, which room lies closest to entrance E? Okay, so that's number 5's question. So closest to entrance E. So where's entrance E now? There we go. Which room lies closest to entrance E? Okay, there's 2 rooms, right? So let's see what they've given. Entrance E is classroom number 3 and classroom number 4. Okay, can you see how simple it is? This is a layout of a school. It's one of the requirements that you need to learn how to read. This is a very simple one. So maybe they can just give you a bigger question, and all you need to do is use words to just describe to a person how to